Alright guys, so I'm geared up, I'm ready to go. This is LowSparkChris right here. We're about to do a bike swap. So I got my bike over yonder, and I'm about to ride an FZ-07 for the first time. No!
That's a rookie mistake.
I know. Dang it. Alright, so I was just explaining to Chris about my bike, and I realized that the GoPro wasn't on. Yeah, I'll follow you. Because you're from Georgia.
Yeah, but I don't know this area.
You got that over me, though. You're from Georgia.
I don't know this area at all, so don't tell.
Our Cenas couldn't pair, so we're not going to be talking. This is going to be his ride on mine, and I'm going to ride his FZ-07. How do you even get to this thing? It's like... the heck? Oh my god, this thing feels so crazy already. Whoa. Oh yeah. Dude, I'm sitting straight up. This is just so crazy. This feels weird. I'm gonna have to get used to shifting again too. I'm like shaky on this thing because turning the handlebars. Whoa. Hey. Alright, I gotta get used to this thing. Oh yeah. Didn't take too long. Woo! That's a big backfire. Hey, that's the other thing. I don't have rear blinkers right now.
Okay.
I gotta get used to shifting again. Oh yeah. It sounds good, man. Mine's so quiet. Yep. Says keep moving, huh? Okay. I gotta get used to his mirrors too. I've never used bar end mirrors before. They seem a little weird. Well, that's fun. I have no idea where I am though. This sucks. I don't know if he's gonna get on his or not. Well, the main thing I can notice like right away is the power difference. I know these are supposed to have like a lot of low end, especially compared to my bike, but I mean even with that, just the power difference coming from 1,000 to an FZ-07, I mean it's ridiculous. I still like it though, and it sounds amazing. I'm gonna let him lead. Damn it. Stall this bike already. This honestly feels like I'm riding the R3 again, but like more power than the R3, obviously. I mean, I'm sitting straight up pretty much. But there's no windshield at all. There's my windshield. Yep. I gotta get used to... I mean, this is something like I can't just do one ride and be 100% comfortable on it. I don't think you can do any bike and be 100% comfortable on it unless you're coming from like 1,000 or like a sport bike compared to this. You know, they're just so different. Because even with the way that I usually do my turns and everything, I can feel the handlebars and like kind of how loose they are compared to that. That thing's like super tight. Handlebars barely move, you just lean it over, which this one still leans, but I can also feel how the handlebars would do that. But it feels very nimble. Oh my god, look, oh, it feels so good. It's so nice. Whoa, it stops real quick too. God, it kicks. As soon as I go into second, it's just like, let's go! Oh, blinkers on. Can't look like a noob. man, it shifts. I don't know if it's because of these levers, but you barely even have to pull it. It's like, all right, let's go. God, I can't wait to get my exhaust. This is just so much fun. I just need more sound in my bike, and my bike would be amazing. It's already amazing, but this thing just sounds so good. Oh my God. Yep. Yeah, you just got the hand from Chris. Yeah, let him know how you feel. That's gonna be funny in his video. Which, you know, I like the concept of this. Like, we're not able to talk to each other, so this is like 100% his own video, my own video. Get knocked down. I just like that. I think that's gonna be cool. So, like, watching his video, I'm gonna have no idea what to expect. Oh, dang it. You know what? I didn't think that, the external recorder, I probably should have adjusted it to his bike, because it's adjusted to mine, and mine's like super quiet, so all of this is probably blown out.
A lot of heat comes off on your feet.
Yep, that's one thing I should have put in the 5 things I hate. Yeah, it is hot. Thing is like a cloud though, and the seat way better than mine. I don't know if this is stock seat or not. I don't know if he's changed it, but I think I could take like aspects of this bike and then combine it with my bike and create a super bike, even though I think that's considered a super bike, but you know, whatever. Railroad track. That's a railroad track. It's actually saying go that way.
Go that way?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna follow you.
Alright. It's got good acceleration to it. The acceleration on this bike is pretty good. I mean, it's like, it's got all that low end torque. I don't know if he has like, I don't know if there's traction control on this bike or... Are we not supposed to stop? Okay, my bad. Pop, 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 pop. God dang, this thing backfiring like crazy. Turning soon, Chris. I like being able to downshift like that again, because I never do it on my bike. We needed to go right. Don't drop my bike, Chris. God dang. This thing just sounds so freaking mean. Left here. Okay. Yep. What do you think? Other than the heat, right?
Other than the feet heat.
Yeah. It's better like when you get on the interstate. Dude, we'll have to do another ride at some point and like get on the interstate and really get on it. Come on, Kyle. God, this thing, like, the backfiring, anytime you just let off, it's just like pop, 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 pop. I gotta adjust your mirror. I cannot see. Well, it's got good brakes. I like it. There's one thing I don't really like about KN's bike is how far down you have to pull. It's not quite like mine, because mine are pretty intense, but these brakes are definitely acceptable for me. I just like them. Of course, I wonder if that's because of the levers too. I guess that could be, because these are adjustable. That's another thing. I need to look at levers for my bike. My burr. Yep.
Night and day, I know.
How do you like getting to hear your own bike?
Sounds good.
Yeah. Because that's always the thing, like you never get to hear it.
Yeah. It's just so different. I mean, that bike looks so small compared to this.
Oh, I can feel it. I'm bent kneed and everything.
What does this weigh?
Huh?
How much does this weigh?
I think like 450.
This?
Yeah.
That's right at 398, 400.
I like bar end mirrors because I gotta like look down. When with mine I'm still looking down, but it's just like right there versus like there. Man, I haven't messed up a single downshift on his bike yet. It's got potential. Yours is just ridiculous. I don't know what it is, just the sound it gives off. It's just like, oh, yeah. Yeah.
It's a meaty bike.
Yeah. Oh, that'll work. Yeah, I'll park yours back there. Well, that is ridiculous. It's crazy.
It's because I mounted this thing here.
Yeah.
Because I didn't want to, there's just not a lot of space on the bars anywhere.
Thank you, sir.
It's fun, man.
Yeah, dude. That was fun. It's a different bike altogether. I mean,
It's definitely, I mean, if you want a true super fast sport bike,
yeah.
this ain't it.
It was still fun. Like, it felt nimble. So
Very nimble.
yeah.
I mean, unless you're going to be going over 120 miles an hour
Yeah.
on a regular long
I could see the wind issue.
Yeah.
But no, it was still fun, man. That was awesome. Well, hopefully you enjoyed mine.
That's a curse because when you ride, I mean, just ride my brother's R6, brother-in-law's R6.
Yeah.
Gave me a little of the feel. I want a leader bike. Whew.
Oh yeah, I know it, man. Well, I can't wait to watch your video, especially when that car was like cutting us off. You're like, hey! Alright, so yeah, I did a ride on LowSparkChris's FZ-07.
On your bike.
What year was yours?
2016.
Okay, so his is a 16, mine's a 17. And yeah, so if you want to check out his video riding my bike, go to his channel. You can go check that out. Boop, right there. So I guess that's it, man. There's not really much else going on, so
Yeah.
this is it. Without a big group ride. Yep. Is he just riding everybody's bikes? Alright guys, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.